What's up, everyone? Eufy Videos back again with a spring edition of a new tool for my lawn. You see here, just arrived today. I'm super excited. One of the first few. This was launched and shipped to. I'm not any type of paid promotion, advertising. I have no affiliation with them. Just an overzealous homeowner that enjoys DIY himself. So I'm going to put this to the test. I'll do this and take apart the unit, give you a quick feedback, and tell you what my thoughts are. Then I'll let it charge up, and then for the second video I'm going to go ahead and have it kind of track the lawn. I'll show you how to set this thing up since I'm one of the first few that has this. And yeah, hopefully Eufy does live up to the hype. I know there's a lot of anticipation waiting to see how this works. And if this can solve my backyard mowing, it's huge. Cut down on thousands of dollars year after year. I pay a lawn service for, though I do enjoy doing it myself. Much rather just sit back, sip a nice ice cold beer, watch a baseball game, and let this lawnmower get to work. So right now I'm going to open the box, give you guys kind of a first-hand point of view. Let's see how it's. This thing's 57 pounds. Here. I don't want to kill my back, so I'm probably just going to move this thing over and flip it over and dump it out. Just so everyone can see the instructions that it came with. Seems to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to get to all these pieces, and then I'm going to go ahead and set this up and let it charge. And I'll show everyone once this thing is 100% fully functional, configured, and ready to rock. Here we go. Yes. Great. This comes with it. I'm excited. Not to worry about this thing getting ruined in the rain. It's packed very neatly. So let's see what else we got here. Power adapter, lens cloth. I mean, soup to nuts. It's everything else that we're going to need within this box. So I'll keep this handy, and I'm going to bring it down there when I start to set this thing up. The lawnmower itself. Nice. This is going to be exciting. Cannot wait. Let's hope it comes with the blades already installed. See if I don't have to put them in. I can kind of hear some cha-chinging. So I'm guessing, yep, you see underneath, those are your blades. Assuming they spin around, do a nice job. I wonder if I have to tighten them at all. I'll find out, right? Here's the base station. This is the last kind of component that you need here. Secure the base station to the ground with the 8 screws before using. So basically, I will open that up when we get down there, and I'll secure them. Kind of see how this goes. Next steps. So this is just packing plastics. I'll keep this around in case I have to ship this thing back if it breaks, because I don't know how the hell I'm going to ship it back in some random box. This thing is heavy. Alright, pause the video now. Meet everyone down there. Start to get this bad boy set up. Alright, we are back. What's up? I've got the base station ready to go. It's very clear. It says I have to put these 8 screws in the ground, which I'm probably going to mount it right here. This is the flattest part of the yard in this general direction. And yeah, let's see kind of how this thing wraps up. This is for your power cord here. The adapter plugs in over here, as you can see. Nice, tight, secure connection, which was on the other side, but probably have to move it and cut this with my scissor, which I'll do now. Yeah, coming along. We'll just get this sucker plugged in and charging, and come back out here in like an hour or two and see how this thing works. Get this keyed up. So just to note, it does come with an extension cable. This thing is kind of flimsy. It's very thin. I don't want to somehow sever this, given it's going to be in an area where I'd be digging and, you know, perhaps accidentally cut the wire. So I'm going to save this for now and just use my thick 15 gauge outdoor wire. These are the tools that it comes with to put these stakes in the ground. So I'll try to push them in as far as they'll go, and then I'll just screw it in flat out. So what it looks like as of now. And then you've got like an Allen wrench type of tool that this has. Look at that. Let's see how this thing works actually. Curious to put a couple in here. I'll mess with this thing later. Wonder if I can use my drill. I do have the Allen wrench attachment for it. That's about it. It won't go any further, but pretty cool nonetheless. I can shove this thing down most of the way, as you saw I just did, and I'll tighten the rest. But all is well so far. Yippee. Now the number one test, grab the camera here, got the mower. I'm assuming it just charges in the back. I want to get this thing charging, so where's this thing connect to? Oh, it connects there. All right, my bad. Let's turn this thing around. There it is. We have ourselves a charging mower. I don't know what the battery state is. I'm going to check all this out when I get back. Let this thing go. See you guys in a bit. What's up, everyone? I got the Eufy app on my phone. Since we last spoke, I haven't really done much in terms of getting the docking base all situated, but I let the robot charge. I thought it'd be full by now. I mean, how long does this damn thing take to charge? I don't know. I guess I'll find out if I have a lemon or not, but I expect it to be full. It's been about maybe 3 to 4 hours. I'm going to go ahead and add it, and I'll show everyone the next steps, how this happens. All right, so I'm going to reach under the robot and let's take it off. I think they said I need to turn on some kind of an on-off switch. So here it is. Again, it's right there. It's now on, engaged. Let's see what happens here. Maybe it's full. I hope. So I'm going to find out. Clicking on the app that it's powered on. Reset device. Press and hold power and home buttons. Power and home. Is that it?
Base station detected.
Come on, let's go.
Wi-Fi connection has been reset.
Let's go. Enable app permissions. Allow. Start connecting. Connect. Come on, let's go, robot. That's my Wi-Fi. I gotta put the password in. See where the password is. Okay, first issue I have encountered. Try again. I typed in my password. Everything seemed to be okay. Let's go.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Come on. Let's go, robot. Don't fail me now.
Wi-Fi connected successfully.
All right. Let's see what happens next steps. Okay. Network check. Install base station. Yep. Done. Prairie lawn. I actually need to go do that. So I have to complete my, probably get it down about 3 inches. And they want me to maintain it under 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. I'll get it to about 3, and I'll turn this sucker loose and see how it does. And it's a little late. I know it takes a couple hours to map. It's going to be dark in less than an hour, so that's not going to happen tonight. Robot log, automatic firmware updates next. Map first. I'm not going to start that. We will come back here. So this is interesting. It's 58%. I will monitor this and let you know how long it takes to get back to 100%. Because I plugged this thing in hours ago. I'm a bit disappointed that it didn't finish up. So more to come. Back to it tomorrow. Peace. Hey, it's about 24 hours later. Beautiful afternoon here in the spring. Sunshine, not much wind. Significantly warmer, so should be a good day to test this thing out. I'm going to finish up this part of the video, just get all the setup things handled, and then the next part of the video will be a true kind of mapping, how the mapping process works, getting it up and running, kind of the first cut, not taking you through the 3-hour process, but fast forwarding, kind of showing you on the app how things are happening in real time, and then my reactions, probably in a third video, which will be covering soup to nuts, the app itself, anything and everything. You need to know what the best settings I found are, because there's a ton of things you can play with on the app. And we'll get to that at another point in time. But let me switch now and show you how this is going through.